if a woman is available to you. Anytime you call, she is there. Anytime you need her presence, she's there. You text her, she replies. You call her, she picks up. She is 100% committed to you, available to you. Don't take her for granted. As often, we only realize people's value when we lose them. Don't lose a good woman who is always available. The fact that she is reliable and always there does not mean she's cheap. It does not mean that she has no friends or social life. It just means that she consistently takes time out of her day for you. She reserved a space in her heart for you. The day that good woman turns her back on you, you will understand the difference between hot water and cold water. To whom the brain is given, sense is expected. Take advantage by loving that woman with all of your heart.